Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing. Use an administrator account and keep credentials handy because some resets require elevated permissions. Once ready, plug an Ethernet cable or have another device for reference in case Wi-Fi goes offline. Now open Start, choose Settings, and go to Network and Internet, then Status. This is where the reset tool's live. You do this to access both the Network Troubleshooter and the Network Reset option, so you can restore default adapters and clear corrupt configs. Once in Status, scroll to Network Reset and select it. Read the prompt because Windows will remove adapters and revert settings. Click Reset Now and confirm. Windows schedules a restart, so save work and let it reboot. After restart, Windows reinstalls network adapters automatically. Make sure to reapply any VPN, virtual adapters, or static IP settings you relied on before. You do this because a full reset clears hidden driver conflicts and cached profiles that simple disconnects cannot fix. After the restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and enter passwords. Expect networks to appear as new because profiles were removed. If you cannot connect, run settings, troubleshoot internet connections to get guided fixes, and make sure airplane mode is off. If problems persist, open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and update or roll back drivers. Drivers often cause persistent failures. One key tip: if a recent driver update broke connectivity, roll back the driver before repeating the network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.